The Owen James Report is brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.
I'm sure you've seen many commercials about financial services and investment opportunities. The smiles, the nice business suits, the charts, the beautiful scenes, and of course, children.
Cut!
But real financial management means more than selling you a product or service. It's about protecting your money, your life, your future. It's about integrity. With over 3 decades of proven excellence, you should look no further than Burrita, making money work for you.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. Jamaica's trade deficit for the first 4 months of this year fell by $21 million or 1.4% when compared to the corresponding period last year. So what was responsible for this marginal and desirable fall in the trade deficit? It wasn't a fall in spending on imports. Rather, it was a 10.5% increase in export earnings during the review period. Earnings from exports within the period January to April this year amounted to $627.6 million compared to nearly $568 million in the corresponding period last year. Now, earnings from sugar and mining and quarrying were mainly responsible. The value of sugar exports increased by 64% to $75 million during the period, whilst earnings from mining and quarrying improved by 7.5% to $247 million. Now, during the 4-month period, January to April this year, the island's total expenditure on imports increased by 2% to $2.1 billion. At the same time, total earnings from exports was $627.6 million. News on the market now, and thanks to a 7% gain by Scotia Group, the Jamaican stock market indices advanced, with the main JC index gaining 682 points or 0.4%. On the foreign exchange market, the US and Canadian dollars as well as the British pound weakened against the Jamaican dollar. The benchmark American dollar shed 6 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $89.62, whilst the Canadian dollar declined by 15 Jamaican cents to close at $89.33. The British pound sterling lost 27 cents Jamaican to close at $139.86. Now finally, Jamaica's coffee earnings fell by 12% to $4.4 million during the first 4 months of this year compared to last year. At least that's the figure from the Statistical Institute. However, if Managing Director of Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, Senator Norman Grant, has his way, his company, and indeed the island, could be earning more from coffee via value-added products.
A direct strategy to increase the value-added portion of our business from currently 30% to 50% over the medium term. This will be done by increasing the roasting of our coffee here in Jamaica, and of course we are also looking to expand that roasting business abroad. We have our agent in the USA, Mr. Edgar Mon, who could not be here. And we are looking strategically to have Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee available in its value-added form. That is all our business, sold under the Jablum brand. And you know, when we market our MBCF coffee, once we roast it and we are involved, we are moving to internationalize the Jablum brand and Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee.
Senator Grant was speaking at the recent launch of Jablum Gold 100% Jamaica Blue Mountain coffee. That's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you by Burrita, making money work for you.